So maybe if I escape into this path of nonsense, everything will come into place. Into those distressing scenes, those restless blueprints of words. Oh yeah, and those impervious thoughts. For they drove me far from this juncture. So maybe if we go above the stars, and we distance ourselves from the earth, we can smile at the heart that we had, but we always overlook it. What a shame.
Sinking like stones, all that we fought for. Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for. And we live in a beautiful world. Yeah, we do, yeah, we do. We live in a beautiful
The most delicate birds. It's a hummingbird. And sometimes I imagine us as caged birds for all eternal freedom. But even the birds, they're not free because they're chained to the sky.